Hi, I'm Ashley from nerDigital. In this video, we're going to show you how to restore the previous version of a published flow in nerDigital Chatbot Marketing. This feature allows you to revert back to the previously published state of your flow if you mistakenly delete some blocks in your flow or if you incorrectly make changes to your flow. Here, I have the published flow. I will make some modifications, publish it, and then revert it back to this version. There you have it. You just learned how to restore the previous version of a published flow. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and make sure to press the bell icon to get notifications when we upload a new video.